Granule Maxi. How to replace the spray pipe bearings. Please activate subtitles. Choose language and quality. Tool Torx T30. Lift off the roof cover plates. Attention! Leave the spray pipes in the machine for now. This could happen if you remove the spray pipes at this point. Alternatively, block the holes. There are 2 bearings on each side. Undo the nut. Tool 8mm spanners. Undo the screw. One side of the plastic link is threaded. Undo the circlip. Tool, flat screwdriver. Note the shaft falling down. Remove the spray pipe and shaft. Remove the old bearing. Tool, pliers. Gently mount the new bearing. Tool, plastic hammer. Apply some food-approved grease. Lock the locking device, and leave the spray pipe on top of the lower bearing. The shaft can now be reached from above. Lift it up and mount the washer and circlip. Turn the shaft to align the holes. Align the holes using the screwdriver. Don't forget to lock the spray pipes. Be careful not to damage the cables when putting back the roof.